just because you shared a post or you're trying to inform others of something that's happening, it doesn't mean it's necessarily a good thing, because though you may be someone who is positive or someone trying to spread good news, but then you post something that's negative, you just multiplied it. You just multiplied the bad news. So if we have 10,000 of you multiplying the bad news, now all of a sudden it has all the power. No, it's not supposed to be like that. Spread the good news, only things that build up others, build up yourself, build up your family. As a man thinks in his heart, so is he. You know what? All those things you post around and your behavior tell us the way you think. So are you proud of the way you think? These are things you just have to think about anyway. Then number 4, a friendly alliance with one or more persons who will encourage you to follow through. And this is where it goes to the masterminding concept, having accountability partners, having friends around, or even in the group, people you can talk to, people you can write to when you're trying to start your project, and you do need accountability partners. You need support, because at some point someone will just say a word or two that will really make such a big difference, or you're stuck on progressing from one step to another. They say something and you're like, oh yeah, thank you for that, now I can't move to the next step. You see, so in conclusion, how to develop persistence. I have a definite desire. I have a definite purpose backed by desire. Have a plan. Close your mind to negativity and discouragement. And lastly, have accountability partners.